Hello and welcome to Extra Time Football. What an incredible performance from Antony. Since moving to Real Betis, he has been on fire, scoring goals, providing assists, and once again securing the Player of the Match award. In their latest match, he won a penalty, which was taken by Argentine star Lo Celso, but unfortunately, it was missed. However, Real Betis still dominated Real Sociedad, securing a 3-0 victory. Antony opened the scoring with a brilliant strike in the 51st minute and later assisted Roca's goal. Roca ended up scoring twice as Betis comfortably claimed all 3 points. With this win, Real Betis now has 32 points from 24 matches, placing them in 8th position in La Liga. Now, looking at Antony's individual performances since joining Betis, he has played 4 matches, scoring 3 goals and providing 1 assist. What is even more impressive is that these 3 goals came in consecutive games, making it the longest scoring streak of his career in club competitions. Antony is truly enjoying his time in Spain. He even won a penalty today, but Lo Celso couldn't convert it. Yet Antony has been named man of the match in all 3 of his La Liga appearances so far, an incredible performance. With 3 goals and 1 assist in just 4 games, Antony is celebrating his move from Manchester United in the best way possible. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of football with Extra Time Football.